Hey Carl, welcome back. Happy Mother's Day post weekend. I should,
Thank you.
I'm sure you had a great weekend with Mrs. Carl and the kids.
Yes, very nicely.
So the Fuchs this morning we traded up to 1345 overnight, traded back down 35, now 45 again. You and I were saying before we came on here, don't really want to be short here. I agree with you. Last week commodities took a hit. Currencies took a hit, but they're all bouncing back. And again, oil. Let's talk first oil. Oil went from 115, let's call it for all practical purposes, down to 94. So almost a 20% haircut. It's a little late to be bearish on these commodities after moves like that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So give us kind of your big picture, thoughts on things. You're just, I think you had a real nice premise on what you laid out there before coming on air here. So,
I'm not in love with the market either way here.
yeah,
I think that there's gonna be some chop here for few more weeks.
yeah.
Got to get everybody on board, right?
Yeah, I think they were getting close. I think they were getting close to getting retail really, fevered up and all in, as you said, and I agree with that. Uh, what was our high on the euro? Just thinking of some of the currencies. Did we get 150 or not quite?
I don't think we quite got that. I mean, I watch forex. I'm not a forex guru.
Yeah.
Um,
I think we're just shy of 150. We'll call it 149s, and again we just dipped down about 700 pips down here to 142.42 was the low, and we hit it again this morning. Gold was down about $100, 1477. It's already back to the 1500s. Oil again already up 7 from the lows in the 94s, looking bullish. All these charts are setting up bullish for me right now. The grains are starting
except
to.
for financials. I don't like financials. I think that's a big warning to you. Bonds are happy, equities are happy, everything but the U.S. peso is happy.
Right,
The U.S. peso got a little happy.
right. Yeah, so we're talking about currencies, gold or gold slash Aussie dollar may be a way to play for a bounce in here. If you're looking for that, watch the Aussie dollar. I'd say that's a good play. And again, bonds have price wise rallied hard. So you know we're in this kind of muddle through period again where there is no easy upside trade, as you said, Carl. On the swing side, there's no easy downside trade. So pick your spots and nibble a little bit here, but we're back to kind of lower volatility for the next few weeks. Give us your thoughts on QE2 coming to an end, and maybe how you could see that playing out.
Again, I think it takes a lot of protection out of the market. That's just me personally. We'll see. I think we're going to have abnormally high energy prices this summer.
Hmm.
These calls over the weekend for 50-cent drop at the pump. I don't think we'll see that.
Yeah,
But we'll see. We'll
yeah.
see. I will change if that changes.
Yeah, we'll see. I said that to my wife. I said it's my curiosity is always why does it take so long for the gas and crude prices to drop in the real world, and yet they go up so quickly. I mean, we're nowhere near the highs of '08 in crude prices per barrel, yet we're trading as high as we ever have been on the retail side. So that subsidized portion that we've given to Americans here is kind of slipping. Prices are they're coming up higher and higher every time the oil bounces, and I think that's more fascinating, than anything, is that the government really can't hold off, more of a real market presence when it comes to the retail crude prices.
Yeah, never. I mean, I guess I kind of look at it, there's never been such a premium in commodities because of easy fiscal and easy monetary
Yeah.
policies.
So for this week, again, we'll keep this real short. We've got no major news on the fronts really. We've got crude oil tomorrow. Obviously, we've got more Fed heads talking retail sales numbers Thursday, and then CPI on Friday, and that's about it. Any spotlights you want to throw in there real quick? We got 10 seconds.
No, not. I mean, I think for today, it's a day not to do a lot, not to get all geared up one way or the other.
Yep. Well,
Yep.
good, Carl. We'll be back tomorrow, and have a good trading afternoon.
All right, you two, buddy. See you now.
Peace.